disharmony and deficiency of stomach qi after sweating, vomiting, or purgation. Continuous belching usually caused by qi oppression in heart and being annoyed. Belching with acid and putrid odor indicates retention of food in the stomach. Cry of infant and child. Sonorous cry with glance right and left indicates getting angry. Cry in high voice and scream usually caused by pain. Cry in high powerful voice indicates excess syndrome. Cry in low weak voice and with difficulty indicates deficiency syndrome. Cry in hoarse voice and discomfort in breath caused by sore throat. Okay, so this has been a pretty good live stream so far. I will definitely continue it on, and I will talk about a few other cool things. I am doing a quick stop here and go again. Stop and go for the YouTube. And I will continue here on the TikTok because TikTok is fantastic. Thank you so much for showing up. Kevin Bear 2199. Awesome. Really appreciate you guys for showing up. This is fantastic. I can't believe my eyes. It is so cool to be on TikTok. Why? Because on TikTok there are awesome people that show up. I do these live streams every single day. I show up on time. I do my part. And for the last 15, 16 years on YouTube, I have been treated like an MS-13 person. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? I dress up nice. I come talk to people on YouTube every day, and I get treated like an MS-13 individual for literally not breaking the rules and just being a nice person. That's why I get really crabby, like this guy. Anyway, so the man that never was is back. The man that never was is back. Let me see, what did I do with all the stuff that I've got here? I'll show you some 3D printing stuff that I've got here. But anyway, the other day I was at Snow Summit. I was at Snow Summit, which is a great, amazing place to go ski here in Irvine, California. But not really Irvine, California. You have to drive very far up into the mountains where Bear or Big Bear is, and Snow Summit is up there, which is a really cool place. We got to ski, which was really fun, and a bunch of other things. But you guys know that you can't be a decent YouTuber anymore. Yo, what's up, Chrissy? Thank you for joining the live chat. This is awesome to see awesome people show up.